Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Pocket Option account and transfer it to Binance, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, log in to your Pocket Option account on the app or website. Step 2, go to the Withdrawal section, usually found in your account or wallet settings. Step 3, choose the withdrawal method as cryptocurrency. Step 4, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for example, USDT or Bitcoin. Step 5, open your Binance account and navigate to your wallet to find your deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. Step 6, copy the deposit address from Binance carefully. Step 7, paste the Binance deposit address into Pocket Option's withdrawal form. Step 8, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Step 9, wait for the withdrawal to be processed and the funds to appear in your Binance wallet. Tip: always double-check the wallet address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Pocket Option to Binance. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more guides. Thanks for watching.